How to create the Sephora account. Here is how to create a Sephora account, Beauty Insider account on the website. First of all you have to do is navigate to your preferred web browser. Then in search address bar, simply type down Sephora and navigate to the official website of the Sephora. Now, once in there, all you have to do is tap on the sign in button available at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on the sign in, you will get to see some options available on your screen. From where all you have to do is tap on the register or create an account option available in the box. Once you tap on the create an account, you'll have to first enter your email address and tap on the continue. Now from here, fill out the form. All you have to do is make sure that your email address and phone number is valid. Tick the box to accept the terms of use and privacy policy and click join now. Sephora is not available in many regions, so make sure that Sephora is available in your region in order to log in. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.